it is Tuesday, August the 29th. And we just closed on our house. That's right. So if you're seeing this, that means you have already seen our home buying process, closing, all of that good stuff. And now, baby, we moving. So this is moving vlog part 1. It is 8:25 at night, and we getting started because it is a hurricane tomorrow. Then we supposed to get the bad weather tomorrow afternoon, late up into Thursday. So we got to get a move on. That's 1. 2, we ready to get out this apartment, girl, and back into how we used to live in a house with a yard, doing all the things. We've been living in an apartment for 1.5 years, almost 2 years. So baby, we ready to go back to the house living, and we are now anyways, that's 2. And now 3, we just ready to move. Okay, so that's everything. So I'm gonna show you guys a quick skim through now. Listen, don't judge, okay? Because we moving. Yes, our house look a mess, but we moving and we gonna get it done. So I'm gonna give a quick so yeah, so everything look a mess right now, but so far the couch in the living room is gone. The TV on the wall is taken down. The refrigerator was picked up a couple hours ago, put on a truck. All that stuff put on a truck. Bed's taken down, little minor stuff like that is put on the truck. So now we just have to, which we've already packed our clothes up, packed like an overnight bag for a few nights, so we don't have to go through the boxes right away when we move, which was Eric's idea, so that's smart. But we just got a lot to do with little time, and on top of it, we still have to come back, clean up the apartment. Eric wants to turn in the keys by the 1st. Tell me why the 1st is Friday. Today is Tuesday. The 1st is Friday. Today is Tuesday, the 29th. So, which means we got to get a move on right now. Eric and my brother are going, or have already left to go take that stuff to the new house. And now I'm here at the house holding it down. I done put the kids, bathed them, fed them. They in their room chilling, and now we got to get a move on. Like, it's so much stuff, I don't even know where to start, but I'm super happy and super grateful to be able to be given this opportunity to buy a house, close on a house, to even be in a predicament, to be able to move again. Yeah, so I can't wait for you guys to see the rest of this moving vlog. I'm kind of excited to see how this is gonna turn out and everything, child. I'm looking a mess, my bun falling down, my makeup old, got makeup on my shirt. But it's okay, we finna get it done. We finna get it done. So go ahead, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. So all right, so I'm in the room. Ignore the background, because like I said, everything look a mess. But normally me and Eric, we pack 2 different ways. I like to pack with boxes, tape, with everything, and I like to put them in neat and nicely, label them, Eric has a different method of packing, which I kind of like his way better. But anyways, we're gonna roll on right on past that. But so we have some, and I don't know why, but we have a lot of like documents and stuff, or not really documents, but like papers and like cards and stuff in a shoebox. Well, the shoebox completely broke, and being that we moved from a house to an apartment to an apartment, and now we're gonna move from an apartment to a house. The other few times we moved, I really didn't care about unpacking, because I know we weren't gonna stay there for forever. So our first apartment, we stayed there for a year, and here was only 7.5, almost 8 months, if that. Well, we signed at least for 9 months, but So anyways, I knew it was gonna be here less than a year, so I didn't want to unpack. Well, now the shoebox broke and I need to take this stuff out, but because I know we will be staying in this house a lot longer than the apartments, and for a good little minute, I'm going to unpack this stuff. I'm not gonna do it right away, but eventually I'm gonna unpack it. So I have this little, I don't know, lunchbox we took to the beach one time. But anyways, I have this little lunchbox looking cooler freezer thing, and I'm just gonna put the paperwork in there. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take everything that's in the shoebox and I'm gonna put it in there. All the cards, everything, all the cards and stuff like that. Because also, I don't know, maybe I'm weird, maybe I'm not the only one that do this, but I like to keep cards that people give me, and I do go back and read them, especially like if I fall upon it, I will go back and read it and reflect upon that time. But do you guys keep cards, or am I the only one? I just feel like it's nice. Like, most people don't want the card, or they're not gonna read the card. They just expect money to be inside the card. But I actually do like the card, like, especially when you took the time out to find a card that really match how you feel about me or the occasion, and it's really pinpointed towards me, and not just you went in the store and just picked up the first card you seen. Like, I really like stuff like that. But anyways, so yeah, I'm gonna do this, put everything, all the papers and everything in this little baggy bag to get rid of some stuff. Look at this. See, this is a good, regardless if you're moving or not, this is a good time to declutter. This is your sign to unpack that box, put up that stuff, because you're gonna find stuff that you be like, dang, I don't even remember this. I didn't even remember we had this. But look what I just saw. This I couldn't even tell you what year it was, but it had to be like when me and Eric first started dating. Like, we were skinny, real skinny. But see, it's stuff like this that when you unpack, you find stuff. So that's your sign. And I'm actually gonna keep this in frame of someone. I don't know. Somewhere, something. I even got, look, this old picture of McKinley on her first birthday. So yeah, so I'm gonna finish going through this stuff, finding more pictures, finding more random pictures and stuff, and I'm gonna get back with you. I also think I'm probably gonna cut on a video, catch up on some YouTube videos while I do this, but I'll come back as soon as I finish this. All right, so update. I know this isn't the best lighting, but it is 10:21 at night, and Eric went to go grab us something to eat from McDonald's. And girl, I'm tired. I was doing a little cleaning, washing dishes, cleaning the bathroom, tub, shower, toilet, sink, drawers. I was just bouncing around from area to area. But I am a little tired, so I think this is gonna be all for tonight, and I will catch you guys tomorrow on actual moving. All right, y'all, as y'all can see, I look a mess. It's the next day. It is Wednesday, August the 30th. It is 4:45 p.m. and look, I could not vlog this morning for nothing in the world. We have made it to the new house, started unpacking some stuff, but do you see outside? It is nasty. It is raining. We are trying to move in the middle of a hurricane. And it's not it. Like, our mattress ended up getting wet because it was sitting in a pool of water on the truck, and just all kind of things. And then the people for the internet came, set up our internet. We did upgrade our phones and switched over our phone company. Then I had to run out in the rain and went to Popeyes But Popeye said, they ain't got no chicken. But anyways, we are home. Eric is still at the apartment getting the last twos and fews. He did go by Lowe's and order the wash and dry. So now what I'm going to do besides try to warm up is I just went about groceries. So I need to unpack the groceries, put them in the refrigerator. But the problem is I want to make a TikTok video of me setting up the new refrigerator, putting up the stuff. We did end up getting the Samsung bespoke refrigerator with the beverage center. So I do want to do a TikTok about that. And if you decide to get the refrigerator, please be careful, because from watching some of the videos, either you had to take the door off to your house or the door off to the refrigerator, because apparently it's so too wide that it can't fit through the door. And we got a couple little scratches and dings from the refrigerator, but I mean, it is what it is. But nonetheless, this is the refrigerator. I took all the plastic and everything off. It looks all nice and pretty. And then this is the beverage center. I just got Gatorade. Don't have any water yet because we got to get the water filter from Lowe's, or the plug. I don't know. We got to get something. All right. Then you open it up. Of course, there's the Gatorade. I got the chicken wings because we're eating that tonight. Got a bottle of wine, 2 things of juice, grapes, strawberries. Which actually, I think it'll be better if they were down here. Yeah. So, grapes and strawberries. That's that. I have nothing in the flex space because I don't know what I'm going to put here, but we're going to figure it out. And then no ice because no water. And then we just got broccoli, shrimp. Just, you know, just a few little things. Just a few little things. But yeah, that is the refrigerator. And I did end up doing the pantry. And this is just stuff that we already had that I brought over. So we got bread, macaroni and cheese, applesauce, noodles, fruit snacks, muffins, more muffins, chips, Pop-Tarts, potatoes, noodles, and then this is just some of the appliances. But once I get the organization, like, this is going to be stocked. And it's going to be very, very, very nice. But for right now, that's just what it looks like. So, yeah, that's where we're at with everything. And really, there's not much to do. We do have stuff in the garage, which, like I said, we got to get. So, this is everything that's in the garage. Just little minor fews and twos, but also our mattresses are in here because, like I said, it got wet in the U-Haul because it was sitting on a pool of water. So now we gotta wait and let it dry. So we got fans going, and it's kind of warm in the garage, so hopefully it'll dry then. But for the most part, we got everything. There's twos and fews at the apartment, like I said, that Eric is getting. But other than that, that's it. That's gonna be a wrap for this first half of the moving vlog. Oh, I think I want to do one other thing before I end this vlog. I think because I already got the stuff, we can go ahead and unpack the bathroom, and then that will be it for moving vlog part 1. But I'm not gonna do that right now. I'm gonna lay down and rest for a little bit. I am tired. We have been up since 7:30. If not a little bit before then. Been going, running back and forth in the rain, trying to beat time, trying to make sure we got a U-Haul back by a certain time, but also make sure we beating the storm. So, yeah. So, I'm going to go rest for a moment, and then I'll catch back up with you. It's several days later, you guys. It is Sunday, September the 3rd, 1:30 p.m. And the last time I talked to y'all was Wednesday. And we were supposed to be doing the bathroom together, putting up this stuff. And I ain't put it up. I just been tired, working, just tired, okay? So here we are. We finna try to put this stuff up off the counter. And don't mind how I look. It's Sunday and I just been cleaning up. I worked out this morning and now I'm just gonna clean up this stuff. So let me turn you around so you can see what's going on. All right, so this is what it's looking like so far. This is everything we have on the counter, and then we have this little small stuff right here. So this is everything that we got to put away. So I was thinking, because when you first walk into the bathroom, you got this side of the sink and you got that side of the sink. So I was thinking that this side could be mine and then this side could be Eric's. And I really don't have any organizational stuff just yet because I really don't know how I'm going to do it. But we can at least get it off the counter and have more counter space. All right, so let's set up where you guys can see. And yeah, I'm probably going to montage this and speed through it, putting this up. So let's get to work.
Ooh, say what, say what, say what? Yeah, girl, you know what's up. Ooh, say what, say what, say what? Ooh, girl, you know what's up. Me and my people be rolling, keeping on you and your homies. The very first day of summer, all chromed out in a Hummer bed.
Another home update, being that it's days later that I started this vlog. We did get our washer and dryer delivered today. So I just end up getting the LG washer with the matching dryer with the glass top see-through lid. So yeah, I just got some laundry running right now, but that did get delivered today as well, earlier this morning about 8:30. So I think that is it for moving vlog 1. It is so much more to do and so much more to do, organize, hang up, put up. So that's why I'm gonna split it up in multiple vlogs. But I hope you enjoy moving vlog part 1, day 1, moving vlog 1, whatever you want to call it. And I'll see you guys in the next moving vlog.